Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphone SONOS ACE on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write SONOS. Now search and you should install this application. Headphones, scroll down, accept, not now, continue, allow, continue, while using the app, continue, allow. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!